In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a table from Confluence in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a report, preparing for a presentation, or simply need to share data with your team, knowing how to quickly and efficiently export tables can be a real game changer. So, let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. You can use any browser of your choice, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar and type in Confluence. Hit Enter, and you should see Confluence come up in the search results. Click on the official Confluence link to navigate to the site. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. If not, don't worry. Signing up for Confluence is free and straightforward. Just follow the prompts to create an account, and you'll be set up in no time. Once you're logged into Confluence, the next step is to go to the Atlassian Marketplace. This marketplace is a treasure trove of apps and tools designed to enhance your Confluence experience. For exporting tables, you'll want to look for a table exporter app. A popular option is the Table Exporter and Formatter for Confluence Cloud. Find this app in the marketplace and install it to your Confluence setup. These apps make exporting tables seamless, offering various options depending on what format you need. With the Exporter app installed, navigate to the specific Confluence page that contains the table you wish to export. Once you're on the page, look for the More Actions menu. This menu is often represented by a 3 dots icon located at the top or side of your Confluence page. Click on it, and you should see an option that allows you to export tables. Depending on the app you installed, this option might say something like Export Tables to CSV, SAX, LSX, PDF file. Now it's time to choose the tables you want to export. You'll also need to select your desired file format. Typically, you can choose between CSV, XLSX, or PDF. Each format has its own advantages. CSV files are great for importing into databases or Excel. XLSX is ideal for those who want to work with their data in Excel directly, and PDFs are perfect for when you need to share a polished, uneditable version of your data. After making your selections, look for a link or a button to download the exported file. Click it, and the file will download to your computer, ready for you to use. And there you have it, a simple and quick way to export tables from Confluence. With these steps, exporting data is now at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!